Good morning, children. I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking maths period for LKG class. Children, our today's topic is concept of few and many. Children, today we will learn about the concept of few and many. Many is an infinite large number of objects. Many is an infinite large number of objects or things or nouns which is uncountable. We can't count the things which are many. And a few is used with the countable things, objects or nouns. Few is used with countable things, objects or noun. So many is used to express a large quantity of something and few is used to express countable things. Let's see. For example, stars. Children, when your teacher gave you stars, you can count them. When your teacher gave you stars, you can count them. Yes, count. How many stars are there in this picture? 1 and 2. So, it is called few. But, can you count the stars are in the sky? Yes, tell me children. Can you count the stars are in the sky? No. So, it is uncountable. So, it is called many stars. Our second example of 3 trees. In this picture, you can count how many trees are there. Yes, tell me children, how many trees are there? 1, 2 and 3. You can count it. So, it is countable. So, it is few trees. It is countable. That's why it is few trees. But tell me children, can you count the leaves which are in these trees? Yes, tell me, can you count the leaves which are in these trees? No, you can't count. So, these leaves are many. So, many leaves are there in these trees. So, you can't count the leaves. Open your textbook, page number 125. Here some more examples is there for you. I can explain it now. Yes, many. Look at the pictures in each set. Few and many. So look at the pictures in each set. First one is grapes. In first column, the grapes are many. In second column, the grapes are few. Here you can count how many grapes. In few column, how many grapes are there? You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is few, but you can't count in many columns which are the grapes are so many. So you can't count them. In second, stars are there. You can count the stars which are in few columns, but you can't count the stars which are in many columns. These are many stars, but these are few stars. See, the third example is of bangles. Here only 3 bangles are there in few column, but here so many bangles are there in many column. Our last one is of flowers. Here simply we can count the 4 flowers are there in few column, but in this many column flowers are more, so you can't count them. It It is in your textbook, page number 125. Now children, your homework time. Your today's homework is, there are a few objects placed in each box. Make them many by drawing more of them in the given box. Here they give you some objects, means few objects. Here in blank column you have to draw same object. Here chocolates are there. Here also you have to draw chocolates, but you have to draw more chocolates to make it many. You have to draw many chocolates, and here you draw red circles, and here you have to draw a red square. This is your today's homework. Do homework in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.